What's up, guys? So today I have something a little bit different for you. We're actually driving right now to go pick up the Viper ACR. I haven't started it or looked at it in 2 months. It's been in storage, so I'm hoping that it starts and there's no issues, but I think it should be okay, but it might be a little bit dusty, so I'll probably have to clean it off before. I'm going to meet up with a Fast Company crew, so it's a crew of a bunch of fast cars, of course, Viper ACRs, Hellcats, a bunch of cool cars, GTRs, so I'm going to meet up with some of those guys, and then we're going to a car show, so going to be a little bit of miscellaneous stuff, hopefully some fun stuff, so I'm going to take you guys along for the ride, and hopefully it's a good time, so let's go. Woo, Dusty. Alright, here she is. It is covered in dust. Poor car. Shake this off before I pull this off and drag all this dust across the car. Ooh wee! I haven't seen her in a while. Alright, let's pull this off. Get this dusty ass cover out of the way. And let's see if she starts. Fast Company. Grab our keys. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, like she never skipped a beat. Damn, I love this car. Got the bronze forged line wheels on here, tow hooks, factory stripes, coilovers. Of course, it's an ACR, comes with the 5-point harness. I don't know if I can get rid of her, boys. I don't know. Alright, here we are, driving the ACR. Just on our way to meet up with the rest of the cars at a Starbucks, and then I think we're going on a cruise, some sort of meet, so let's go check it out. Check out this Hellcat. Making 875 at the wheel. Got a crank pulley swap, bigger injectors, full tune. We're rolling with this guy today. We got another scat pack, charger, of course, and then we got this badass SRT Hellcat charger, of course, sitting on bags, air ride. She is low. Love the color scheme on this thing. It's badass. If you want, you can follow him on Instagram, Purple Monster Hellcat. So I just met up with a few of the boys. We're gonna go and meet up with the rest of the crew and then start the cruise. Another charger. Alright, so we're here. Bunch of Mopars, basically all Mopars. It's a Mopar cruise, meet, whatever you want to call this. Let's go take a walk, see what we see. Got the 3rd gen Ram. Looks like everybody's getting ready for the cruise. Got scat packs, Hellcats. Hey bro, I don't know if it's me, but your tire looks super low on the front.
Oh, I got it turned.
Oh, is it? It looks like it's like almost sitting on the rim there. It still looks low, but I don't know. You good? You good? All right, just look at that. Alright, looks like everybody's rolling out, so let's go get the ride. That's pretty damn cool. I don't know if the camera can catch that, but it's badass. dude. I hate these fucking tires. Yeah! Never sat in one before?
No.
No?
My first time.
Really? Get used to it, man. Stay in there as long as you want.
Security guard, huh?
Yeah. All right, we're here at the meet. Bunch of Mopars. Pretty hectic ride up here through the canyons. Check this shit out. I ain't get the dildo. There it goes. That's badass.
Friends, just to tell me they ain't really friends. Ex-girl, she the female version of me. I got strippers.
The hell out of here. Over here at Slow Mars house. Why are you driving this thing?
Because my mother-in-law's driving my truck right now because she crashed her car.
Oh.
Look at all this.
Ooh, nice rubber, man. Nice rubber. Man, you're gonna love these things, I'm telling you. Wait till you get them on in your car. You're gonna wonder why you didn't do it sooner, I'm telling you. Seriously. It's so much better. You have no, it's so much better. On this episode of Omar, he uses tin snips and fucking wire to fix his car. He's putting the splitter on.
And duct tape.
Here's his tires, 295 Toyo R888Rs and 355s in the rear. Some badass meat put on his car. That's the wing that we installed. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. That's pretty much it. Throw the wheels on. Fix the charger. Get a pizza. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know I shook it up on the content a little bit for this video, but I want to kind of show you guys what we do on the weekends and some of the fun stuff we do when we're not working on cars and stuff of that nature. So let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments below, and if you want to see more of this stuff, us just kind of having fun with cars and, you know, that kind of thing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.